Hey there, today I am excited to show you how to create flowchart diagrams using ChatGPT. Whether you are a student, a pro, or just someone who likes visuals, this guide is for you. Let us get started. First, go to chat.openai.com in your web browser. You will see ChatGPT ready to help. Imagine you need to explain how the Gcash cash flow works. With ChatGPT, it is easy. Just type something like, "Give me LaTeX code for a flowchart about the cash flow on Gcash." ChatGPT will give you the code, copy it. Next, go to Overleaf, an online editor. Sign up if you haven't. Start a new project. Paste the code from ChatGPT into Overleaf. Click Recompile to see your flowchart. Want a more detailed chart? Just ask ChatGPT to make it more detailed. Copy the new code it gives you. Go back to Overleaf, replace the old code with the new one, and see your detailed flowchart. That's it, a simple guide to making flowcharts with ChatGPT and Overleaf. Hope this helps you visualize your ideas better. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and see you in our next video.